Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a Coinbase account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing that we need to do is, of course, download the Coinbase app. You can download it through the Play Store or the App Store. It doesn't matter. Once you've downloaded it, the next thing we need to do is click Open. After you've opened it, you'll be redirected to this screen, and the next step is to click Get Started. Once you're here, you can continue with your email. All you have to do is enter your email address. Let's say, for example, that this is your email. Go ahead and enter it, then click Continue. Next, enter the code that has been sent to your Gmail. After that, you'll be able to create your password. Just type your password in the box provided, and once you're done, click Continue. Then, enter your first name and, of course, your last name. Once that's done, click Continue. Now you'll need to verify your phone number. You can change the country code right here, so if you're living in the United States, just search for United States and select it. Then type in your US phone number. Let's say, for example, this is your number. Enter it, then click Continue. Coinbase will then send an OTP to verify your phone number. Once you've been verified, you can now successfully create your Coinbase account. And that is basically it. So that's basically how you can make a Coinbase account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.